The best compressed air piping systems. Rapid quotes, rapid install, RapidAir.
Welcome to RapidAir. Today I'm going to explain the new fittings available called the compressed fitting, a press type fitting. In the traditional piping world, there are several ways to join pipes together. You've got black pipe, which is threaded. You've got copper, which is soldered. We've got the RapidAir method of compression fitting, which was a composite fitting that had a nut, a bite ring, and an O-ring that we tightened down over the pipe, and that made the connection. The new RapidAir fitting is called a press type fitting. It has an O-ring seal, and you use a tool similar to a ProPress tool to make the connection. Here's a cutaway of what the press type tool looks like. The all-metal fitting is stainless steel with a nitrile O-ring. Sizes range from 3/4 inch to 4 inch. We offer RapidAir pipe in both aluminum and stainless steel. The pipe can be used for compressed air, inert gas, non-potable water, oils, and vacuum. For installation, it is very simple. First, we're going to cut the pipe to length with a pipe cutter. The aluminum or stainless cuts great. We don't want to use a hacksaw, but we need this cut to be nice and straight and clean. We're going to take a deburr tool, and we're going to make sure that the outside of the pipe is deburred. We can also do the inside as well. It's critical that the outside is deburred so as to not cut the O-ring when inserting the pipe into the fitting. Next, we're going to mark the insertion depth of the pipe, how far it goes into the fitting. The instructions will tell you for each diameter what that is. So use a tape measure and mark your pipe. We're going to insert the pipe into the fitting till it bottoms out. And then it's real simple. Let's just set up our tool. In this case, we're working with a 1-inch size. So we're going to insert the jaws for the 1 inch. Click it in place. Make sure that that pipe is inserted fully. Get it seated in the jaw. Squeeze the trigger. You can hear the tool stops when the compressed is made. There's a little release button that'll release the pressure. Open the jaws, and you have a pressed on fitting onto your pipe. Permanent seal, lifetime warranty. For 1.5 inch diameter and larger diameters, we need 2 sets of tools for the installation. First, we're going to have a wraparound jaw that goes around the fitting, just like this. And then we have what we call our scissors that engages like this, and the tool will press the same way as the smaller sizes. Behind me, you can see a layout of the compressed fittings. There is a variety of fittings available. The wall outlets are a great connection point for quick couplers, and they have a moisture drain at the bottom to take care of your moisture situation. Also, you can see behind me the max line tubing, which is a rolled tubing that'll come in various sizes from 1/2 inch to 2 inch. You notice here that this has a sweeping corner. It'll hold its shape. It's HDPE, and there's also press fittings available for that. Now, one more great feature about the RapidAir system is if you need to add a drop in any location along your main pipe header, we have what's called a quick drop. So the quick drop is a hinged fitting that we're going to drill a hole using a hole saw into the main header. And there's actually a locating fixture here in the fitting. Drill the hole, deburr it, and then all you simply do is with the gasket, you clamp it around, and you have an instant drop anywhere in your place that you need air. Thanks for choosing RapidAir, and as always, check out RapidAirProducts.com. You can find piping, compressed air accessories, air treatment, and air compressors. RapidAir is your one-stop location for all your air system requirements. Our on-staff estimators can help you design the correct system to meet your needs. We have 40,000 square feet of warehouse space fully stocked and ready for shipment. We are easy to do business with, and our goal is to bless, impress, and cause you less stress. Have a great day.
The best compressed air piping systems. Rapid quotes, rapid install, RapidAir.